Hello and welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. In this video we're going to take a look at two Majorette Volkswagen gift bags. The first one here, well, let's first take a look at the packaging. First one here is the more regular Volkswagen gift bag that has 5 cars in it. So you get 5 cars in a row next to each other instead of on top of each other like a normal 5-pack. I think this is a cool way of presenting the cars. It looks very nice, and I often try to find doubles of these to keep them carded, and then an extra to open up. These usually cost around 15 euro in Europe. I try to buy them for around 10. This is the bottom of the package. Here you have the production date, September 2018, and a lot of mumbo jumbo on it. And then on the back you get a kind of a diorama picture like on the front, but here with a city in the background instead of some forest, with the opening features of the vehicles, so the hatches on the vans and then the frunk of the classic Beetle. Now the other one I had or have, well, I ripped up the cardboard, but that one was from the beginning of 2018, packaging date January 15, 2018. That one had a different name. It was called the Originals Volkswagen Majorette Gift Bag instead of just Volkswagen Collection. You see? So if there's some of you out there that are carded collectors and want to have different variations, this is a variation to look for. Okay, so the second one that you can see in the background, so has only 4 cars in it. It also has some kind of a diorama background of a city. This is the box for it. As you can see, the car in the front on the package is the same as the other one, but here it's the one with the roof rack that is in the gift bag. Here it's the one without the roof rack. So this had the production packaging date, sorry, of June 2017, and these were exclusive to the Müller stores. I cannot, yeah, Nur by Müller. That means only at Müller. Those are drug stores that also have a pretty extensive toy collection, toy assortment. And then in the back, the same, you got the opening door of the new Beetle, the frunk of the classic Beetle, and then the hatch of the van. There you go. Now let's take a look at the cars. So this is from the Volkswagen collection, or the Originals Volkswagen 5 cars gift pack. It's got a matte black finish. It's got a gray base. Production date of this vehicle November 2017. You can see the suspension bars, so it does have suspension. You can lower it, and it's very bouncy and very wobbly, and I think that's what it's supposed to be with these old vans. The VW T1, that's what it's called, 159 scale. Very cool livery, Big Burger Chief or Chef, premium quality, 100% guaranteed satisfaction. Got the lensed headlights and all the details that it needs to have, the tail lights. And let's try to open up the hatch in the back. There you go. I think that's as far as it will go. I'm not sure. I think it's plastic, yeah. Seems to be plastic, but that's fine. It looks good. It looks the same as the color of the body of the car. So I think they did a really good job on it. We got some seats in the back. Little exhaust pipe here sticking out of the back too. So looking really cool. Second one. This is the VW T6. Also has suspension. So this one you can also find in the street cars assortment. So it's also in that gift pack. It's in the singles, in the street cars. So this is a more easy one to come by. Whereas this one, as far as I know, is exclusive to this gift pack. Also got the lens, the headlights, got the detailed interior. Very nicely done. Got the trailer hitch. And next up we got the classic Beetle. This is an actual 1/64 scale. Got the white rims, a little bit of suspension, and here's the front, opens very wide. Summertime livery, tail lights. This is not exclusive to this gift pack. You can find this in the singles with a cardboard box with it, but they sell these very expensive, between €3.50 and €4. So that's almost double the price I paid for this one. So I'm not going to pay double for a cardboard box. I don't collect cardboard, I collect cars. And we got the new Beetle Convertible. Also has suspension, black rims, and headlights, painted tail lights, and a proper interior. This one was also found in 2018 as a gift in the quick hamburger restaurants with the magic box for children. And then the last one is this T1 van. So the same as the black one, lots of wobbly suspension. This has a roof rack with a surfboard on it that is detachable, and in some gift packs it has come loose of the roof rack. Also the same hatch opening in the back. This one has a cream colored interior, very light inside, you can see everything very well. So now we get to see the seats in the back. These often have paint issues. Sometimes they're a little bit light on the paint, like here there's a little bit white coming through. Here they had to do a kind of a touch up. I don't know if it will show up on camera, but there's a little bit of color difference there. Click. Very cool. This one you can also find in the singles, I think, with the roof rack, although I'm not 100% sure. This one or that one exists in the singles. I think it's this one, that you can also find as a single in the vintage assortment. And then we go to the other gift pack, the Muller exclusive one. So here we get the classic Beetle that also can be found in the vintage gift pack. It's got the headlights also, tail lights, with the difference that this one has a trailer hitch and the one in the vintage gift pack doesn't have a trailer hitch. You can also find this one in a trailer set with a camper trailer. I did not buy that one because the camper trailer has the same blue color as the car with some with a white top. I think that's a bit lame. Who has a camper trailer that is in the same color as his car? No one has. I don't think it's realistic. That's why I don't buy these kind of trailer sets. Next up, the new Beetle. This one does have opening doors. The convertible version does not have them. As far as I know, this is an exclusive color to this gift pack. Then we got the same T1 van in green, but without the roof rack. This can also only be found in this gift pack. The other ones you will find are with the roof rack. The one without was only found in this Muller exclusive gift pack. So everything else is the same. And then the last one is also the same as the other one. So that's it. I think my favorite is this one. I think this matte black is very cool. I think they did a really good job on this van. Let me know what your favorite was. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.